Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. And this session we will be exploring about genome informatics. We will be exploring about its overview, its application, the recent trends, and we will also look into the high salary package career prospect and also the roadmap and skills required to such industry. So let's get started. As you know, genome informatics is a dynamic intersection of genetics, computer science, and biology. It involves the application of computational method to decode, analyze, and interpret vast amount of genomic data. This field enables us to gain insight into the genetic blueprint of organism and thereby utilizing them for various applications. So let's see which are the significant applications of genome informatics. You can say a genome informatics is like a map that guides us through the intricate pathways of a biological system. It holds immense significance due to its wide-ranging application, such as precision medicine, which is a personalized treatment plan based on individual genetic profile. The another area is pharmacogenomics, which is actually tailoring the drug responses according to genetic makeup. The another significant area is your agriculture enhancement. So developing crop with improved yield and quality can be achieved by gene informatics and genetic engineering approaches. The another significant area is functional genomics, which is understanding of gene functions and its interaction. It also has vital role in disease research, identifying genetic factors behind diseases like cancer and rare genetic disorders. The another area is comparative genomics, which is studying evolution and biodiversity. The another area is metagenomics, which is analyzing microbial community for environmental and biomedical purpose. Adding on the list, the another area is forensic genetics, which is solving the crime through the DNA analysis. The another area is synthetic biology, which is designing of artificial organism in system with desired trait. If you're a beginner to bio-IT or genomic informatics and omics, you must understand that genome informatics is a multidisciplinary field that melds biology with computational science. So its primary function can be distilled into several key aspects such as data storage and retrieval. Genome informatics provide the architecture to store, organize, and efficiently retrieve vast amount of genetic information as it is a part of big data biology. It empowers researchers and data scientists to assess the genetic sequences, annotations, and related data from global repositories. So in such kind of projects and areas, you have to deal with genomics and genetic code. So you have to deal with the sequence analysis to decode these genetic codes. It allows for the analysis of DNA, RNA, protein sequence so that we can understand the hidden patterns, identify the genes, and reveals regulatory elements which are crucial for organism biological functioning at the molecular level. The another area which is quite important here is comparative genomics. Genome informatics enables the comparative study of genome across the species. It aids in tracing the evolutionary relationship, identifying conserved genes, and understanding the unique adaptation that have shaped the different organisms. The another kind of analysis which needs to be performed is structure analysis. Genome informatics also dissect the intricate structures of genes and protein. It reveals the 3D structure of biomolecules, shedding the light on their function and interaction at the regulation level. You also have to often deal with functional annotation. In genome informatics kind of study, we need to annotate gene with functional information, deciphering their roles in biological processes, pathway, and disease mechanism. Such kind of subject also require phylogenetic and evolutionary analysis. So genome informatics can be utilized for reconstructing evolutionary tree of phylogeny and taxonomy analysis. You also need to deal with variant detection. Genomic informatics identifies genetic variations and variants. These can range from single nucleotide changes to larger structural alteration, aiding in disease diagnosis and prognosis. Moreover, sometimes you also need to deal with pathway analysis. Genome Informatics unveils the intricate biochemical pathways that underpin cellular function. It identifies how genes interact with networks, contributing to processes like metabolism and signal transduction. And apart from these, you sometimes also deal with the predictive modeling. Genome informatics employ predictive model to anticipate gene behavior. This aids in drug discovery, personalized medicine, and understanding the disease dynamic. And along with these, sometimes you also need to deal with the biological network analysis. Genome informatics examine intricate networks of gene-gene and protein-protein interaction, and this insight unveils complex biological systems. So here are a few of the high salary career prospects if you enter such industry. With the exploration in genomics data, sequencing revolution, and big data biology advancement, skilled professionals in this field are in the high demand. Thus, this translates into high-paying roles such as bioinformatic analyst, who analyze genomic data to extract meaningful insight. You can also become genomic data scientist. You can apply computational and statistic method to better understand the genomic data. You can also become a bioinformatics software engineer. If you have interest in developing tools and algorithms for genomic research, you can go with this job profile. And the other area is computational biologist. Here you have to integrate and interpret biological data with the help of computational model. You can also start your own startup and provide bioinformatics services. Along with that, if you have interest in teaching, then you can become faculty and mentor in such areas. Now let's see what are the skills required to enter such industry and what is the efficient roadmap to get into such industry. The very important point will be foundation knowledge. You should know the molecular biology, genetic concept at the foundation level along with the basic computer science concept. Along with that, as you have to deal with the big data here, so if you know programming languages like Python, R, Java, C++, then it is going to help you a lot as you have to deal with large amount of data here. Thus, the knowledge of statistic and data analysis will be also required. The another skill is bioinformatics algorithm. Understand the algorithm which is used for sequence alignment, assembly, analysis, etc. You should also know database management. Familiarize yourself with handling large scale of genomic data, that is the part of big data biology. Along with that, as we are in the time of AI and machine learning, so it is a good practice to explore AI and ML applications, especially in the genomics like predictive modeling. And other than that, domain expertise. Make sure you are specialized in genomics areas, either like cancer genomics, microbial genomics, plant genomics, etc. Let's see some of the bioinformatics tools and resources which are quite frequently used in such kind of analysis. And if you are planning to enter such areas, try to practice and try to learn these things. We also provide trainings and provide projects in such areas. If any one of you are interested in learning bio-IT, genome informatics or programming for biologists, you may also contact us. Resources like NCBI to assess the vast biological data. You also need to do BLAST, especially to compute the DNA, RNA and protein sequence. You also require tools like SAM tools, BAT tools, especially to analyze and manipulate sequence alignment data and work on genomic interval data. The another platform like IGV, which is interactive genomic viewers, you can utilize for visualizing the genomic data. You can also use Bioconductor, which is an open source software for genomic data analysis. A very frequent one is UCSC's genome browser for exploring the genome of various organisms. So these are few of the tools and resources which you can utilize. Please have a look. And for the detailed analysis and training purpose, you can contact us. As I mentioned that genome informatics also required to deal with the big biological data. So it is best that we should know the programming language to deal with such kind of large amount of data. The most common programming which is used in genome informatics are Python, which is widely used because of its versatility and rich bioinformatics libraries. The another one is R, which is excellent for statistical analysis and visualization purpose. You can also try Java and C++ along with Perl. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you are having any questions and queries, please feel to drop the message in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.